Hello everybody, good evening time. We've got a Texas Star Sweet 16 repair view. What was happening, it was heating this combiner right here. What was causing that is these two pills and these two pills are putting out different wattages. So this is only like a 2 or 3 watt resistor. So if there's 2 or 3 watts difference, this resistor is going to melt. That's why all your combiners melt in every box, like all these boxes, even the ones I build. If you see resistors burn, there's a 90% chance you got pills down. If you ain't got pills down, you got a cap, input or output down, etc. There's something causing, when you got a resistor burning, like this right here, if this resistor burning, this means this 2 pill and this 2 pill are putting out different wattages. If one of them's low, it's causing the combiner resistor to burn it. That's why they're there for. But yeah, that being said, I got this thing fixed. This is DEIs, but it's a new one. It's a 16 DT2s. And they got the writing on them like HGs, so I'm assuming it's the ones like HGs and it all works good. I put 2 HGs up here, brand new, got it up and going. This was first obvious to me because it was kind of nasty looking, so I went ahead and changed them out, took care of it. And it's balanced, this resistor ain't getting hot. We'll start out looking straight through SWR. Hold on, I gotta hook my power leads up. Forgot that. Alright, on my linear, straight through SWR. Worldwide. Then we'll show you what we're driving it with. We just be driving it with my radio because, you know, these things, a lot of people think these are those Sweet 1600. Never had one that hold up to run 1600. I used to run these back when there was Toshibas. That's all Toshibas. I used to have a bunch of them in my trucks. I used to go around and terrorize with them. They did good. But I never did get over 1200 out of one. I'd run a Galaxy 77 into one and a Texas Star V mod. I've heard people trying to do 667 stuff, and they're not made for that. They will not hold up. When I run if I got real hard on one of my Texas Star and my Galaxy 77, I'd always blow out the protection fuses. I'd always keep some with me in my truck, and I'd pull over, going down the road. We'd be back to CB War days. I'd pull over, going down the road, pop the lid, change the fuses, I'd put the lid back on and go again. But I used to have the big fan kits on and stuff. Those in the Toshiba days. So they're not great big swingers, but they are talkers. They're biased and they're good, clean, they talk. So anyways, I'll go back, all that's over. Let's go back and check our input SWR. Input SWR. Worldwide 0. That's what we're going to drive with. Hello, 88 watts, super Beavis Cobra. That's the comp switch on. Turn him on. Input SWR. Worldwide, nearly nothing. We're going to hit our, oh yeah, we're running 13.8. You don't volt these neither. The way the bison is in, volt them, it'll burn the pills up. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. So 1200. Look here. Oh, it's hot if you key up. You can't key up and do it, but you can touch it. That was RF burn when I jumped. See, it ain't even hot. But you can't stick your finger down there and key up, you'll get RF burn. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, I knew that. I just wasn't thinking, hit the mic at the same time. Look at our LP. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. Go over here and hit our, you can see your tune on your box. I'll probably turn down my, yeah, it looks nasty right there. Let me turn down my mic again a little bit, clean up the radio. It's got a real good tune on it, you can see. Nice. At your spectrum. And you know, if it's getting hot with that big old long tone, it'd be hot. Watch this. Nothing. Cool as a cucumber. Just don't touch it and key the mic up. But there's your HGs. I got you fixed up. Go back. Look at our bird again. Worldwide. So at 13.8, it's 13.6 actually when I key up. We're getting about 500 average, worldwide. Almost 1200 peak. Get on down, Texas Star, worldwide. Audio. 1, 2, 3. Look here. She's fixed, man. Like I said, boys, just don't overdrive her. They don't need much drive. About 100 PEP's plenty. 100 PEP's plenty for you on Sweet 16 if you want to survive and stay alive. And that was in Toshiba days, so I'd imagine they're probably not hardly as tough with the HDUs and DIs and so forth. Worldwide, audio. I just keep keying up, showing you it ain't getting hot. Because just don't key up and stick your finger down there at the same time. Alright, bud, there's your Texas Star DX Sweet 16 fixed and repaired. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know who it is, your friend 1001AB. Catch you later. Bye-bye.